Hey guys, today we are going to make potato pops. So right now we have a boiled potato and we are going to smash it right. Smash the potato and here are the ingredients. So we are going to add ginger first. Going to add a little bit of chili powder, cornstarch and chilies. So now we are going to add some salt. Once you have blended and nicely mixed together, you can shape them into ball shapes. So now we have got the right firmness and texture. We're just shaping them into balls. So right now we're going to put it in the air fryer. We're setting it to 200 Celsius. Can be around 15 to 20 minutes. Now we just wait. So here are the potato pops. So we just air fry them and it looks good. We're going to have one now. And then hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to drop a subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.